carrots. To fry any meat, including chicken, we will prepare for this demonstration by preheating the utensil on a little over medium heat setting and wait for a couple of minutes. When the pan has reached the proper cooking temperature, a drop of water on the cooking surface will scatter rather than evaporate. This is when you know the utensil has reached the proper cooking temperature for frying. Place the chicken in the skillet and press down to the surface to maximize the food's contact with the cookware. At first, the cookware will stick to the surface during the searing process, but after a couple of minutes, the chicken will begin to release. If you are cooking the legs, thighs, and other pieces of the chicken that you would prefer to have the golden brown on all sides, then turn those pieces to fry all around. In the case of the chicken breast, some people prefer not to turn the chicken, so we will prepare one in each way in this example. To enhance the flavor of the chicken breast a bit, we're going to squeeze some fresh lemon at this time. When searing the meat, do not cover the pan down completely over the skillet, as the food will need air to brown and sear. When the cover is fully in place, it forms a vapor seal that will baste the chicken instead of frying it. Let's start our vegetables. We have placed some freshly cut raw carrots in the 1-quart saucepan. To this, we are going to add some frozen peas. We are going to add just a few tablespoons of water to the vegetable. The small amount of water will turn into a vapor as the cookware heats. You place the saucepan on the burner with the cover in place. Open the valve and turn the burner to medium. In a couple of minutes, the moisture will turn to a vapor when the cooking temperature is achieved and the whistle will begin to sound. When the whistle sounds, turn the heat to the lowest setting. Close the valve and allow an additional 10 minutes of cooking time. Depending on the vegetable you are preparing, times will vary slightly. Refer to your cookbook for more information. At this point, we will also close the cover over the chicken with the ready temp valve in the closed position and turn the heat to low. When the cooking time is complete, open the cover to test that the vegetables are done to your preference. Notice the vibrant color of the vegetables is retained, and so are the nutrients. There you have it, your first meal in kitchen